Hello friends, welcome back to Microsoft Access Tutorial 6. In this video, I'll talk about navigation forms in Access. So what is navigation form? In Microsoft Access, a navigation form is a special type of form that allows you to create a custom navigation interface for your database. It also provides a centralized location for accessing different forms, reports, and other objects in your database. Navigation forms are particularly useful when you have multiple forms or reports and want to provide a natural way of users to navigate between them, right? So in nutshell, navigation form is a central location wherein you can access each one of the forms, reports, etc. So let's head into Microsoft Access database. Earlier I talked about these forms. If you haven't watched those videos, so please go ahead and check out those videos. So how to create navigation form? First you have to click on create, then navigation form and click on horizontal tabs. And now you can click here and you can put the name of the form which you want to display. If you want to display any form, say for example main form, so you can write down the name. After that, which form you want to display on the click of this tab, so you will have to go to property sheet and go to navigation target name and select the form which you want to display. So I'll display second form. Okay, so but the moment I select that, the form can be displayed. So there are another method, like if you write exactly the same name, so it will get automatically inserted in this form. Suppose I put login form, and if I don't make any spelling mistakes, so even I don't have to select that from navigation target name. So I click here, so you'll see that form automatically displayed. If I correctly put the name of the form, so it will get displayed automatically because it can recognize the target name automatically. Then you don't have to select the target name. In case of student information form, suppose I put student info. Since I haven't put correct spelling name, I only put info, so it will not recognize the form which it wants to display. So now you can see in this form there is no navigation target name, right? So you have to select it manually. If you don't want to select it manually, so you can write the correct name. The moment I put the correct name, you'll get automatically inserted. So this is one way, or the other one is you have to select it from navigation target name. Now save it. Now you can see main form, second form, student form. Although these are the same form, I kept it. Now I want to make one of the form the default form here. So what I need to do, I'll have to click on file, option, current database, and I'll select the form login form. Okay, so this will be the first form to be displayed, right? And right after that form, I don't want this tray, the left side tray, to be displayed, so I'll deselect display navigation panel. All right, if I open this form now, so you'll see okay, you can see student information form is getting displayed. I don't want this form to be displayed. Instead of this form, I want navigation form to be displayed, right? So what I need to do, I'll select this Microsoft Access and then hold shift and press enter. So now you can see the left side tray here, these objects, right? Although in runtime I have already deselected that display panel. So now I have to change the coding here. I'll select the event. So now I'll change the form name here. Instead of student information, I'll put navigation form. I'll save it and close this. Now I'll double click on this database so that my login form will be displayed here. If I successfully log in into this form, so it will show me the navigation form. So now you can see navigation form. This is going to be my navigation form. Now you can navigate through each one of them. So this is all about navigation form. We can color code these forms and all as per our convenience. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.